You're supposed to talk.
We're in IHOP.
Daddy, say something.
Something. Get that thing out of my face.
So what do you think of the place we're at? Where are we? Alexandria?
Why do I talk into it?
Alexandria.
I need to tell Melissa something. Where do I say it? No, I
I
have
have
to
no
whisper
idea.
it.
I have no idea.
Melissa, can you hear me? The guys behind us are talking about how they're... I forgot what I was saying. Oh, the guys behind us are talking about the really bad service they've had in restaurants and they're really rude. I just thought I'd tell you that.